Alright, so we're going to work on the 1-2 and the 2-1. So this is our first punching combination. I'm going to throw my jab out, this is coming right behind me. What's happening here? I'm open.
Oh, yeah.
See, they're doing it quick, right? They're bringing it quick, and they're dropping this down ready for this. All sorts of things, right over the top of the right hand. Yeah, right over the top. See, they're not doing each individual punch correctly. They're just throwing it out there. Does that make sense? Throwing it out there. So, this, soon as it's back, think of this hip coming back, exploding back, this exploding forward and coming back. That timing. We're here, back, and then there's that. See? And then there it happens. Think of this pulling this forward. We're here, it's out, pulling that forward. That's it. And what's happening is, back, back. So we're letting our center drive both. Now the 2-1, cross, back, here. Now this is different from a jab in the sense, when I'm crossing, now this hip and this shoulder are loaded. So as this is coming back, we call this a straight lead. We're here. More power than a jab because, look where my hip's at, look where my shoulder's at. Okay? Everything's back. Back. Most important. This is how people get knocked out. They come in with a combination like this. Like this, see? Application of the 1-2-2-1. Again, these are your basic combinations. So jabbing here, cross here, also jab up high, change levels here, upstairs. But always quick, always moving around. Okay? Again, you're just jabbing. All different variations. But again, just mix it up. Mid, high, low,